We'll guide you through how to extrude individual faces in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To extrude individual faces in Blender, begin by opening Blender and starting a new project. Once the scene is ready, select the default cube or any object you want to edit. Next, press Tab to enter edit mode so you can modify the geometry of the object. After that, make sure you are in face select mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard or by clicking the face icon in the interface. Now, select a single face by left-clicking on it. With the face selected, press E to activate the Extrude tool. Move your mouse to extrude the face outward, and then left-click to confirm the action. If you want to extrude multiple faces individually, first select several faces by holding Shift and clicking each one. Once the faces are selected, press Alt+E to open the Extrude menu. From the menu, choose Extrude Individual Faces to ensure each face is extruded separately rather than as a single group. After selecting this option, move your mouse to control the extrusion distance for each face. Left-click to confirm the extrusion once you are satisfied with the result. You can then press G to move the extruded faces and adjust their position as needed. If the extrusion does not look right, use Ctrl+Z to undo the action and try again until you achieve the desired shape. Finally, when you are finished editing, press Tab to return to object mode and complete the process. Take your time to experiment with different faces and extrusion distances to better understand how individual face extrusion affects the overall form of your model. This technique is especially useful for creating detailed shapes, patterns, or architectural features that require precise control over each face. Remember to adjust your view frequently by rotating and zooming so you can clearly see how the extrusion is changing the geometry. You can also combine extrusion with scaling or rotation for more complex results once you are comfortable with the basic steps. Practicing these steps repeatedly will help you gain confidence and improve your modeling workflow in Blender over time. Keep exploring additional tools and options in edit mode to expand your skills and create more advanced designs with greater efficiency and accuracy in your future projects as you progress.